Corbiz.
Hello everyone, you're watching your favorite channel Corbiz. My name is Divya Dikshit and today in this video the topic of our discussion is UPPCB means Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board. During the discussion, first of all we'll cover what is our UPPCB, the function, the role of UPPCB, the benefit of UPPCB and who needs to acquire the NOC from the UPPCB and why it's mandatory for obtaining the UPPCB certificate, means the consent to establish certificate. We'll also talk about the registration procedure and the documents that will be required for obtaining the consent to establish and consent to operate certificate. So let's begin the video. UPPCB, Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board. UPPCB stand for Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board, which come under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. It's a statutory organization entrusted to implement environment laws and rule within the jurisdiction of the state of Uttar Pradesh. So, if we talk about the purpose of UPPCB, then the purpose of UPPCB is to manage and reduce the level of air and water pollution within the state. So, the UPPCB issues a no objection certificate to the business model and the industrialists to check that they should not cause any harm to the environment in the near future as well. Benefit of UPPCB. So now we'll discuss about the benefit of Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board. It helps in preventing and protecting the natural resources. It helps in the prevention of air and water pollution. It helps in measuring the quality of air. It helps in the efficient waste management, because with the use of the technique it also helpful that how we can reduce and diminish the amount of waste which is generated. And at last, if we talk about the benefit, then UPPCB has so many guidelines which will help the industrialist and the healthcare establishment so that the waste generated can be recycled or reused. Who need UPPCB consent certificate? So now we will be telling you about the type of industry, type of establishment who needs to obtain the UPPCB certificate for operating their business model, which are as follows. UPPCB consent certificate is obtained by manufacturing entities, healthcare establishment, traders, e-waste management entities, solid waste management entities, hazardous waste management entities, battery waste management entities, plastic waste management entities and biomedical waste management entities. List of industries who require consent to establish before commencing the process of establishing industries. So there are certain industries that need to acquire consent to establish certificate before commencing the process of establishing industries, like bone mill, meat processing unit, vegetable and food processing, dairy processing, stone crusher and slaughterhouse. Documents required to obtain consent to establish. So quickly go through the document required to obtain the consent to establish for all the industries who are operating within this state, which are as follows. A covering requisition letter stating the status of the industry and activities clearly, copy of sale deed or rent deed which the organization has got. If it is an organization, then you will be needing memorandum of association and article of association. In case of partnership firm, you will be needing partnership deed, site plan and design plan of the business, schematic chart of the street, forest area, rural field, neighborhood and other significant zone within 2 kilometers of the business. Complete subtitles of the manufacturing procedure of each item to be created by the business. A copy of land use certificate and land use change certificate. Auditor certification verified by the chartered accountant. Complete information regarding wastewater balance and underground water balance. A copy of consent fees. Copy of groundwater report, proposition of sewage treatment plant STP with complete subtitle of the treatment, approach to be utilized and method of the removal of waste by different units. A step to be taken to monitor air pollution. A step to be taken in case of usage of hazardous chemical and data related to material safety. And at last, you will be also needing environment clearance certificate from MOEF. Registration procedure for obtaining consent to establish. Under the existing pollution control law, it's mandatory for every industry to obtain the consent to establish or a NOC certificate if they are operating their industry within the state of Uttar Pradesh. For that, the applicant has to visit the official website of Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board. The applicant has to file the application form, attach all the crucial details, submit all the requisite document, and also provide the information like site plan, the proposed pollution control plan, and the registration certificate from the industry department. And these certificate means your whole application will be submitted to the general manager or to the district industrial center or to the member of secretary of the Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board at Lucknow or to the regional officer of the Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board. Then an inspection will be arrived by the authorized officer or the inspection team. After inspection, consent to establish NOC is issued by board head office within 90 days after inspection and recommendation from the concerned regional officer. So information regarding the topic of the Pradesh Pollution Control Board is being provided to you by the CORBIS. In future, if you are planning to get the consent to establish certificate from the UPPCB, then you can easily connect to CORBIS because CORBIS will guide you thoroughly with our dedicated team which will cover all the legal proceeding and the document process. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, you take care. Bye-bye.